number 1? Where are you, number 1? Oh, here. 1. Oh, close mo na egg number 1. Very good. Put it here. The tray. Number 1. Next, 2. Number 2. Where's number 2? 2. Close na egg. Close the egg. Finish mo muna si number 2. Oh, hindi pa naka-close. Oh. Close my egg number 2. Put it here. Here. Put. Next one. Number 3. Oh, do not remove na. Number 3 ka na. Number 3. Oops, careful. 3. Ayusin natin. Patingin. Ganyan. Okay. Put it here. Inside the tray. Put. Next. Number 4. Where's number 4? Let me see. Help the teacher. Like that. Close. Put it here. Number 5. Close. Number 5. Wait. Where is the teacher? Like this. Put it here. Number 6. The last one. 6. Yay! Close the tray. Yun. Highlight. What shape is this? Star? Triangle? Heart? Circle? Plus and square. Good job. What goes together? What goes together with toothpaste? Toothpaste and okay, very good. Toothbrush. Toothpaste and toothbrush. Listen natin. Yes, toothpaste, toothbrush. Okay, how about coin bank? Coin bank. Look at the piggy bank. Coin bank. Oh, coin bank. Oh no. Not the iron. Again, try again. Coin bank. Coin bank. Where is it? What goes together with the coin bank? The coin bank goes together with what? The coin bank. With the coins. Look mo, coins. Coin bank. Put mo together. Coin bank and coins. Yan. Okay, very good. Next one. Remove lang picture this. Look mo yung picture. How about what goes with bread? Bread and paintbrush? Oh no! Bread and toaster. Where's the toaster? Listen to teacher. Bread and toaster. Where's the toaster? Look at the toaster. Toaster. Bread and toaster. Bread and toaster. Go. Bread and toaster. Fix mo. Fix. Bread and toaster. Next. How about the paint? Paint and which one? Paint and okay, paint brush. Finish? Okay, huwag natin dito. How about the... Lagay na ni teacher dito. Ironing board. Ironing board and... Oh, no, not the base. Ironing board and... Iron. Okay. Okay, next one. Next, how about the pan? Pan and... What goes with the pan? Okay, spatula. Pan and spatula. Okay, how about the flowers? Flowers. And, okay, vase. Flowers and vase. Next, how about shovel? And, okay, pail. Very good. Next, dustpan. Dustpan and, which one? Itchy by eyes. Hair. Dustpan and what? Dustpan and broom. Okay, next one. How about the knife? Knife and... Okay, chopping board. And last one, napkin holder and table napkin. Okay, very good. Give teacher high five. Nice one. What is this? Nose, right, watch, bowl, umbrella, nail cutter, and spoon. You're gonna choose your answer, okay? What goes with fork? Fork and... no. Fork and what? Fork and spoon. Fork and spoon. Okay, next. What do you do with a pencil? What do you do with a pencil? Nail cutter, nose, right, watch, bone, or umbrella? Again, what do you do with a pencil? Pencil. What do you do with the pencil? You write. You write with a pencil. Pencil, write. Okay, next. What do you use when it's raining? Oh no, it's raining. What do you use when it's raining? What do you use when it's raining? You use your umbrella. Where's your umbrella? It's raining. Use your umbrella. Where's the umbrella? Okay, very good. Oh, wait lang. Wala pang question si teacher. Next. What does a dog likes to chew? What does a dog like to chew? The bone. Where's the bone? Where's the bone? Look mo, which one is the bone? One lang, bone. Bone. Nasaan yung bone daw? The dog likes to chew bone. One lang, oh. Bone. Okay, next. What tells time? What tells time? What time is it? What tells time? The watch. Nasaan yung watch? You look for watch. Look mo yung watch. Nasaan yung watch? Look mo yung ginaget po po, oh. Where's the watch? Oh, watch. He said watch. Where's the watch? Get me yung watch. Where's the watch? What tells time? Watch. Go, 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 go. What tells time? Watch. Nasaan yung watch? Watch. No. Watch. Tasa po yung watch. Look, oh. Watch. Okay, next. What do you use for smelling? Use your nose. Use your nose. What do you use to trim your nails? Look, what do you use to trim your long nails? Use nail cutter. Okay, next one. Comb hair, chair, bowl, milk, toothbrush, and soap. What round object bounces? Bounce, bounce, bounce. What round object bounces? The ball. Where's the ball? Get the ball. What round object bounces? Ball. Where's the ball? Get your ball. Where's the ball? Go, Hazen. What round object bounces? The ball. Where is the ball? Get the ball. Okay. Next. What does a cow give us? A cow give us milk. Oh, the cow give us milk. Milk. Read mo po. Milk. Where is it? Milk. The cow give us milk. Look for the milk. Hazen, milk. Hazen, milk. Where's the milk? The cow give us milk. Milk. Nasaan yung milk? Drink mo yung milk. No, no, milk. Where's the milk? Milk. Hazen, milk. Look for the milk. Next. Oh, listen muna kay teacher. Listen muna for the question. What do you use for washing hands? Look, dirty hands. What do you use for washing hands? You use the soap. Where's the soap? Hazen, look mo po yung ginaget mo po, oh. Where is the soap? Look for the soap. For washing your hands. Soap. Hazen, soap. Where's the soap? Soap. Where is it? Soap. To wash your hands. Wake up, Hazen. Where is the soap? Look for the soap. Hazen, focus on your work. Next. What do you use for cleaning your teeth? Clean your teeth. What do you use for cleaning your teeth? Okay, toothbrush. What goes with table? Look, what goes with table? Uh-oh, table and what? Table and? What goes with table? Hazen, table and? Look at your work. Eyes here, table and what? What goes with the table? Table and chair or comb hair?